Hi, I'm Dani Dazey, and this is my fiance.
Hi, I'm Philip.
If you tuned into my last home tour, you know I love adding color everywhere, and today we're going to show you how to add a little bit of color to your backyard. Watch out, dude. All right, all you're gonna need is a couple brushes, measuring tape, and some good outdoor paint. You don't have to paint your whole wall to add color. Today we're just doing a mini mural with some plants, and it's gonna be so cute and really add a fun backdrop to our patio. So we're doing 3 circular shapes today. They're abstract, so they don't have to be perfect, but we're gonna use a ruler to make sure they're an even width apart, more or less. So basically we're gonna put 3 dots on the wall, and then I'm gonna draw a circle around them. So here's our first dot where the couch was, maybe about 30 inches. That feels good. So this will be the center of our second dot. We'll go 30 inches to the other side, and then we'll also see if they're 30 inches from each other at the top.
Close.
Perfect. So basically we just made a triangle with 3 dots, and this is gonna be our guide on where we wanna place the circles. For the circle, you really can't be precious about it. It's abstract, so you gotta be daring and just draw a line. And for these, I even want them to be imperfect and, again, more of an abstract shape. So we have kind of a retro amoeba look going on. And then I'm gonna do a second line in the middle. The circles are going to be little outlines. And again, it really just doesn't have to be very perfect. And if you mess up, you can take a wipe it off, or you can use your eraser. All right, looks pretty good to me. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to change the shapes up a little bit. Here's the center. It's always a little scary to just draw on your wall like this.
That's why I let her do it. I have the responsibility of messing it up.
I think it's looking pretty good. They're equidistant apart. The shapes are similar but different. What do you think?
Looks good.
All right, should we do this thing?
Let's do it.
So it's kind of a scary moment to put a paintbrush on the outside of your house, but again, you can always paint it back, or you'll just ruin your entire house, maybe, I don't know. Dang, this is pretty vibrant. I think we might be able to get away with just 1 or 2 layers on this. So it can be kind of tricky when painting with these ridges. The trick is just to kind of stick the brush in and just kind of sponge it in those areas. Just our freshly painted house that we're painting. Scary. We use just standard paint brushes for painting houses and whatever it is, but sometimes you want to go in with like a painter's brush if there's a more difficult area and get those more detailed spots. If you go outside of the line with the abstract circles, you can just bring that line over a little bit and it all works out in the end. Well, I'm excited to tune into Kesha's new horror show on Discovery Plus that they just announced today. I'm like, Kesha in a horror show? I mean, Kesha was like my college...
A ghost hunting or something.
Yeah. I guess she's like, has a passion for ghost hunting.
All right. Turn it. Beautiful.
Good job. Yeah, a little to the left. I like it to be slightly lower, so they're like a little more imperfect. We got the wabi-sabi vibe going on. Let's go a little to the left. Yep, perfect. Cute. Wow. It's beautiful.
Chef's kiss.
I love it. Can you believe we made such an impact on this space in less than an hour?
Right? It's amazing what paint can do.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handmade for more fun home decor videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and don't be afraid to be a little more daring with design.